Hi students, welcome to our mathematics class. Now I am going to explain chapter number 6, exercise number 1 related to fractions. Here question number 1, see in 6 exercise 1, question number 1. Find the first 4 equivalent fractions to each of the following fraction. Here see, one fraction is given. For this fraction, write equivalent fractions. First 4 equivalent fractions for this 2 by 11. Okay, to write equivalent fractions, already explained in previous class. To write equivalent fraction to any fraction, what you have to do? Multiply numerator and denominator with the same table. Here also multiply numerator and denominator with the same table. But why I am taking 2 table and next 3 table and next 4 table and next 5 table? Why I am multiplying both numerator and denominator with this only 2? Here see, question is first 4 equivalent fractions. Here if you multiply with one numerator with one, denominator with one, what will you get again? You will get same fraction. 2 by 11 only you will get. But he asked question is not same question, not same fraction. He asked equivalent fractions and they are beginning 4. First 4 means beginning 4 and equal to 2 by 11. So that is why I start with 2. If I multiply with one table both numerator and denominator, same only will get. But I want equivalent and first 4. So that is why I am beginning with the next 2 table. So multiply numerator and denominator with the 2 table. Next equivalent fraction, how we get that same 2 by 11 multiply with 3 table. Numerator and denominator multiply with 3 table. Next equivalent fraction to 2 by 11 is multiply numerator and denominator with 4 table. Next equivalent fraction is for 2 by 11 is multiply numerator and denominator with 5 table. Then these are the first 4. If you multiply 2 table, 3 table, 4 table and 5 table and both numerator and denominators, then you will get first 4 equivalent fractions to 2 by 11. So multiply 2 2 are 4, 11 2 are 22, 2 3 are 6, 11 3 are 33, 2 4 are 8, 11 4 are 44, 2 5 are 10, 11 5 are 55. These are the first 4 equivalent fractions to 2 by 11. Already I told equivalent fractions. To get equivalent fractions, we have to multiply numerator and denominator with the same table. But why I am multiplying with 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 in order? So he asked the first 4 only now. So begin with 2 table. If I begin with 1 table, same only will get. So that is why I multiply next 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 5 table. So you will get a new fractions. They are equivalent to given fraction. Similarly, 7 by 8. For this first 4 equivalent fractions, if I start with multiply with one table, you will get same number. So but he asked the equivalent fractions and beginning 4. So start with the 2 table. 7 2 are 8 2 are. Both numerator and denominator multiply with the 2 table. 14 by 16. Sorry. Now 3 table. Next equivalent fraction. To get next equivalent fraction, multiply numerator and denominator with the next number, that is 3 table. You will get 21 by 24. Now next equivalent fraction, multiply with next number 4. Multiply with 4 numerator and denominator, you will get 28 by 32. Next equivalent fraction is multiply with 5. Next number, multiply with 5 numerator and denominator, you will get 35 by 40. These are the fractions equivalent to 7 by 8 and beginning 4 equivalent fractions. Such a way we can find out equivalent fractions to the given fraction. Now next question, Write the equivalent fraction to 4 by 9 by following conditions. Write equivalent fractions to 4 by 9 by following conditions. What is the first condition? Question number 1. Condition. What is the condition here given? Numerator as 20. So take 4 by 9. Given fraction taken here and multiply same table. Numerator and denominator multiply with same table. Then only you will get new equivalent fractions. So same table. So why I am multiplying with one 5 table? He asked the condition as numerator as 20. 20 asked as numerator. To get numerator 20, what you have to multiply? With 4. 5. So here also 5. Why I am multiplying both 5, 5? You want equivalent fraction. So to get equivalent fraction, what you have to do? Both numerator and denominator multiply with the same table. But only why I am multiplying with 5? As per condition, he asked numerator must be 20. So that is why I multiply given fraction with 5. Then you will get numerator 20. And to get equivalent fraction, denominator also multiply with 5. Then you will get 20 by 45. This is the new fraction equivalent to 4 by 9. We asked equivalent fraction to 4 by 9. We got equivalent fraction to 4 by 9 by following the condition as 20 as numerator. Similarly, next question. Denominator as 63. Write equivalent fraction by following this rule, by following this condition. What is the condition? New condition given. Denominator must be 63. Okay, given fraction is 4 by 9. And get to denominator as 63. Then what you multiply for to get 63 in denominator? What you multiply for this denominator? 7. 9 7 are 63. For this denominator 9, what you have to multiply? 7. Why? You want 63 as denominator. Condition is given. 63 as denominator. So that is why I am multiplying with 7. And he asked equivalent fraction. To get equivalent fraction, what I have to do? Any fraction multiply with same number. Both numerator and denominator multiply with same number. So here I multiplied 7. Why? To get 63 as per condition. So numerator also multiply with 7. Why? To get equivalent fraction. So both numerator and denominator multiply with 7 now. So we will get new fraction that is equivalent to 4 by 9. Next, another equivalent fraction by following this condition. What is the condition? Denominator as 108. What is given fraction? Given fraction is 4 by 9. And asked to write equivalent fractions to 4 by 9. So here 4 by 9 take and multiply numerator and denominator with the same table to get to equivalent fraction. But what is the table you are taking here? 12. Why you are taking 12? Here condition is given. Denominator must be 108. To write denominator as 108, what do you have to multiply to the 9? 12. So multiply 12 to the 9, then only you will get 108. Yes. To get no equivalent fraction, what you have to do? Both numerator and denominator multiply with the same table now. When you multiply denominator with 12, numerator also multiply with 12. So that is why you will get equivalent fraction to the 4 by 9. That is 4 by 48 by 108. And this follows condition. Denominator as 108 follows. Now next condition. Denominator must be 36. You write equivalent fraction to 4 by 9 and follow this condition. Denominator as 36. 4 by 9 take, multiply same table. And denominator condition is denominator must be 36. So to get 36, what you have to multiply for this denominator? 4. So then only for this 9 you multiply 4, then only you will get given condition denominator 36. Okay. Then you want to equivalent fraction to 4 by 9 now. So to get to equivalent fraction, what you have to do? The numerator multiply numerator and denominator both must be same table now. So when you multiply 4 table, here also 4 table. Then only you will get equivalent fraction to 4 by 9. So then you will get new fraction that is equal to 4 by 9. Next condition is numerator as 24. Same fraction. Fraction is same. equivalent fractions, write equivalent fractions to 4 by 9. So here 4 by 9 take. To get equivalent fraction, how to do? How to do? Multiply both numerator and denominator with the same table to get equivalent fraction. Here why I am multiplying 6 table? Here given condition, numerator as 24. To get numerator as 24, what I have to multiply to the 4? 6. 4 6 are 24. That is why we should multiply 6 to 4 to get numerator as condition. Given condition for us in the question 24. To get 24, what I have to multiply to the 4? 6 table. So when you multiply 6 here, denominator also multiply with 6. Why? To write equivalent fraction, both numerator and denominator must be multiplied with the same table. Such a way we can get equivalent fractions to 4 by 9. So here what are the equivalent fractions to 4 by 9? 28 by 63, 48 by 108, 16 by 36, 24 by 54. These all are equivalent fractions to given fraction 4 by 9. Now next, write equivalent fractions by writing lowest form. So write the following fractions in lowest form. What is the fraction given? 20 by 36. Lowest form, already I told you. To write lowest form, have to divide both numerator and denominator with same table. See, 4 table possible in both 20 in 20 and 36. What table possible? 4 table. So that is why I am dividing both numerator and denominator with 4 table. You will get new table, new number, new fraction. 20 divided by 4 5, 36 divided by 4 is equal to 9. That new fraction is 5 by 9. This is equivalent to 20 by 36. Now another fraction 15 by 18. For that equivalent fraction in lowest form. To get lowest form, what I have to do? Divide both numerator and denominator. So divide both numerator and denominator. Here see, to get lowest form, compulsory divides only. Lowest form divides, highest form multiplies. Here lowest form divides. So 15 by 18. What table possible in both 15 by 18? Yes, 3 table. We know 3 table divides both. So that is why I am dividing both numerator and denominator with 3 table. So then you will get new fraction. This is 5 by 6. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. You get new fractions 5 by 6. That is, this is lowest form to 15 by 8, and these two are equal. These two are equal in values.